This question is frequently asked in TCS, Infosys, Adobe, Walmart and many other companies. The logic for this question is very easy as it's appear in easy level on lead code 496. We are going to use monotonic stack in this question. So first of all, understand what is monotonic stack. When we store element in any order like such increasing order or decreasing order, in that case we call that stack monotonic stack. So we are having an array and we have to return the set of array which will contain the next greater element for each element. As you can see, for 6 the next greater element is 8, for 0 it's 8, and for 8 if we don't have anything we will simply return -1 on that place. For 1 it's 3, and for 3 there is no any another element left on the right side, so we will simply return -1. So for that what we will do, that we will take help of the stack. So in case of knowing what is the next greater element for any number, we must know what are the elements on the right side of that number, correct? So for that what we will do, that instead of starting from this first element we will run a loop from back which will and during this we will store the greater element into the stack. First of all we came across 6. So is there element in our stack? So no, we will simply return -1 and push 6 into our stack. So move to 4. So is there any element? Yes, the top element of the stack is 6 and it is greater than our current element, so the next greater element for 4 is 6. Push 4. Now we came across 2, so the top of the stack is 4 which is greater than 2, then it will become the next greater element for 2. Then we will came across 1, so for that it will 2. Now we came across 3 and we see that the top of the stack is 1 but it is not greater than 3. So what we will do, that we will remove it. Again the top of the stack is not greater than 3, so we will remove it, and now we got our finally greater element. So we have 3 here. So again we came across 5, so remove 3 and 4, we will have 6 here. So what do we understand, that first of all we will iterate from the back side and then we will check the top of the stack. If the top of the stack is greater than our current element, then it will be our NGE for that current element, and then we will push that current element into our stack. And if in some case the element which is on to the top of the stack is smaller than our current element, then in that case we will pop the element out from the stack until we found a greater element than that. And if is there any case that your stack will become empty, so for that you have to return -1. So if you want the complete code for this problem, then comment code, and yes, if you don't follow us then code will be not sent to you. Thank you.